Hey there, I am Linda at Tulalight. This is a check-in with my celestial team about US politics. I started with the premise that the Orange One will indeed be out of office very soon. Every psychic I've listened to says the same. When Orange Man is out of office, JD will be president for 31 days. He is to be impeached for election fraud. Then a team of 5 minus to Dems. 2 Republicans and 1 independent will lead for 51 days. During their time, a special election is held for president. A decision to hold the election was made, deliberately, because MAGAs don't believe the election was stolen. The contest is between Harris and Cheney. 75% of voters come out to vote. 90% of those vote for Harris. Harris and Walz are sworn in 10 days later. Here are the first 10 things Harris will work on, fixing things several at a time. 1. Supreme Court light will be lifted. Thomas and Gorsuch leave the Supreme Court and good people replace them. 2. Income taxes. Lower taxes for people, increased for wealthy, many of whom leave USA, may institute flat rate of 20%. 3. Healthcare. Brings in universal healthcare over a 4-year period. Starts with people who were on Medicaid. 4. National security. Work to regain trust in matters of national security, including military and improving alliances. 5. LGBTQ+, gay and trans rights and protections are resumed. 6. Women's rights, health, abortions reinstated. 7. Law, strength and justice, laws, judges, etc. 8. Environmental protections. 9. Justice system, reinvigorate the halls of justice and build renewed faith in its value to our way of life. 10. Equality, bring back fairness and equality for everyone, resume DEI. Immigration, the focus will be on recovery of those incarcerated or deported without due process. During her first 4 years, angels have no predictions on MAGA activities. Orange Man is at Mar-a-Lago with just 5% of MAGA following him. GD goes to India and rights tell all about Orange Man and Muskrat. Johnson leaves us. Cruz loses in 2026. Rubio is nowhere, out of politics. Pete Buttigieg is Secretary of State. Other possible appointees include Sanders, Crockett, Ayok, Cheney, and Adam Kinzinger. There will be amendments to the Constitution, but no rewriting during Harris's terms. The Constitution will eventually be rewritten though. War. There will be no war in us in the next 10 years, including with Iran. The attacks by Russia on Ukraine end within the year. Thank you for listening. This video is presented for entertainment purposes only, and do not reflect my personal opinions. These are the words given to me by my celestial team. Again, thank you. From Linda at Tulalight. I am a modern mystic and spirit-led life coach. I welcome your kind and loving comments or questions.